Hey guys, welcome back with my new videos. Some test today. I'm putting along a color video cursion and ni title tower do yani. Also that one of my favorite Korean brand BTS and crown so jin thing she saw she ding la butter rare. So yeah, I'm gonna react to them like crown so ji thang boya color 디젤리사 디코랑을 okay, so let's watch together. Okay,
smooth like butter, like criminal.
First, start this guy. I'm gonna on the subtitle. Oh my god. Okay, look at their lyrics. They're just hot. Okay, 다 하고서야 건조가지 lyrics 한 모양을 reflect the MV가. I got it. They're gonna keep flooding us with this whole MV. Oh my god. Super glow. Like as always, he's the world most handsome, yeah. Look at his hair color. Dude, this is killing us. 건조가지야, 시가지. lyrics 다 된다는 중. I mean like, look at the lyrics. Yeah. Like the lyrics goes, yeah, they are melting our hearts. My baby. 건조가지 덜러졌다나요. Like, I mean like 덜러였구만. Look at their clothes. Okay. Look at the hair color. Let's just appreciate it.
Let it roll.
Oh my god, the freestyle. I mean like shit 하던 다도 건조하지요. 예이 그래. I mean like. Okay. I guess this whole MV is just to flirt with the armies. Okay, sugar. Here we go. It's my favorite. It's my. Okay, I'm the nice guy. Yeah, you are. Yeah, and when you just say haters, I mean like konjogida madula na marane madoro chikeshisa lyrics nanglula. Yeah, to all the boys that they think that BTS are just like they look like girls or you know like gay type. I'm sorry, you can leave it if you don't want to watch. I know people keep saying this because they are jealous. Yeah, because because how good you are. Okay, 당아 간del라. 네. 내가야 나 배밥이 뭐예요? 뭘 배밥이야? I'm like 나 가르기 BTS 나 보무다다 두다. 그래서 가르기 말해도요. I'm like 공부 맞춤 대로 지라죠. I'm like คนจะมังทักตัวสาวแต่คนจะเลยใจตัวเขียวกูเชียมาคนจะขจุอิงชิชคนจะเดบร์ยามันจะเดลเขียวกูชิกับไปแกมาเลย I'm like คนจะเลยคนจะอยู่กูก็มาสั่งใจพิชิตกูมาดิฉันทำมันจะอันนี้จะเป็น I'm like okay let me see da 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 look at them let's appreciate their hard work and their efforts 정말 찾아봐 혼자와시 간대 깔래 계시든 나타나 A R M Y Kimati heart got I'm right behind us when he says so how cute he is and yeah that's it I'm just so happy that they came back with this such a beautiful song I mean like I know they are flirting with us and yes our heart feels like a butterfly you know 니 그래서 다시 디타메오이나 아니 그 지도 나균에니 시디다 저지야 I'm like console every shit 저지 console 다가서 봐서 말 console 여유 갈리겠는데 그 여유 갈리겠는데 그야 아니야 I'm very happy with their comeback and their all the music because they are the only reason that keeps making us like we are alive, right? So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you like it. Current Kistela yeah, Sawa Yinani what subscribe channel majority. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell icon and yeah, don't forget to give your like and comment below and some legit to go yeah bye.